All right, we're bringing Jesse back. Jesse, at the top of the show, you were talking about sort of the track of Hurricane Beryl or Tropical Storm Beryl now. But I know a lot of folks are going to be interested in what you have to say about rainfall here.
And it's going to be something I want you to pay very close attention to, because a lot of you watching are going to be, depending on where you're watching, I should say, is going to depend on how much you're going to see. There's a huge gradient in rainfall expectations next week. 95 was the high today. This morning's low is 71. How nice is that? The normal high is 94. Right now it's 93 at DFW. It feels like 97. Sure, certainly better than 100, and certainly better than feels likes of 105 to 110. So a nice little break there. Here's the rain coverage for DFW. All right, so 10% tomorrow, really not much. Like today, we maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. 60% Monday, and Monday night will probably be a little bit higher than that. Tuesday, 40%. Now notice I put here the heaviest rain is east of DFW. Monday and Tuesday, that's when the remnants of Beryl will move into North Texas. Right now, the track of it looks like it's going to stay mainly east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and that's where the heaviest totals will fall. Then it's just isolated to scattered rain after that. So here it is. Tropical Storm Beryl right now, already the influence bringing showers and thunderstorms along parts of the Texas coast and even up into Houston. 60-mile-an-hour winds. It is 385 miles southeast of Corpus Christi, and it's moving to the northwest at 13 miles per hour. Hurricane warnings in pink. This is from Matagorda Bay down through Corpus, and then tropical storm warnings, including Galveston. Tropical storm warning in effect because they're expecting tropical storm conditions, not direct landfall there. 2, 3, 4, 5 feet of storm surge pretty much along the entire coast because of just how big Beryl is. Here's the latest track on this. Still Tropical Storm Beryl late tonight. Could be Hurricane Beryl as soon as early tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon, 75-mile-an-hour winds, up to 85-mile-per-hour winds before it makes landfall. So this is 1 o'clock in the morning. The center of Beryl still expected to be over the Gulf of Mexico. The center will then make landfall somewhere between Corpus Christi and Brazosport. That is the latest track of that. So again, Matagorda Bay, that's why this area is under hurricane warnings. Winds 85 to 90, gust a little bit higher, storm surge of 5 feet, 6, 7, 8 inches of rain. You know, problems there, of course. 1 p.m. Monday, 70-mile-an-hour winds, and as it goes back down to tropical storm status and moves inland. Now notice the track through North Texas. All right, so there's Corsicana, the Dallas-Fort Worth area here. It looks like the highest chance is it's going to move farther to the east of the Metroplex and into East Texas. So now we're going to talk about the exact timing of this. Here's a look at timecast. There's Beryl right there. See the heavy rain Sunday night? Early Monday morning, the center's still, so even though the flooding rain could start Monday morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, the center is still off the coast. So landfall sometime around daybreak Monday. We also have a cold front that's going to be moving in Monday late morning into the afternoon. That will bring scattered showers and storms to most of North Texas on Monday. But watch Beryl. There it is. That's 6 p.m. That's 11 p.m. Monday. Notice the sharp cutoff. Nothing, some, a lot. Okay, so you see the exact track, and if this shifts even the slightest little bit, the rain totals will shift with it. So let me show you the latest on that. 4 to 6 plus inches of rain along the coast. There could be 7 or 8 inch totals there from Houston down to Corpus. Back into North Texas, 2 to 5 plus. Some areas could pick up 6 inches. Mejia, Palestine, Athens, Corsicana, Canton, Mineola, Sulphur Springs. Big totals there. 1 to 2 for the Metroplex. Much less than an inch to the west. I'll say it one more time. If this shifts 40, 50 miles west, you're going to take the bigger totals into the Metroplex. The opposite happens if it goes east. You'll take the lower totals into the Metroplex. It's going to be a sharp gradient. It's going to be a very close call. Keep an eye out on the forecast for any changes. Tonight, 75, mostly clear skies. Dry, warm, and muggy. Rain is not in the forecast tomorrow. Low chance for a shower or storm Sunday night. Monday, much better chances. Remember, the farther east you live, the higher your chances for the heaviest rain. Because of the clouds, because of the cold front, because of the rain, highs will stay below normal for much of the next 7 days, minus tomorrow. And then we're back to dry summer heat after that.